This tutorial will teach you how to upload artifacts to your digital portfolio. As you begin to personalize and fill out your portfolio, you'll want to add individualized content, such as items from your Google Drive. There are several ways you can go about doing this. First, I'm going to show you how using this Drive link right here. Under the Insert tab, click on the Google Drive logo. We highly recommend using a folder to keep all of your items that you'll eventually want to upload to your digital portfolio. This way, they're easy to access and easy to update share settings, which we'll get to in a moment. Let's start by uploading a sample paper. You might want to upload an essay or a research paper that you've done for a specific class, say to your student work page. Once it's in, you can resize it, make it bigger or smaller, and viewers of your site will be able to scroll through your entire paper without it taking up the entire page. They'll also have the option to view it in its own window using this button here. Another way you can access your content is to scroll down on this Insert tab. Again, you can move this around and resize it however you'd like. And someone visiting your site will be able to flip through each individual slide with this button down here, or play it as a presentation. This is a great way to show off all of the presentations you've worked so hard on, and eventually, possibly, a senior thesis or a capstone project. You can also upload any images that you might have on your Google Drive. Here, I'm just uploading a sample JPEG. To make sure that viewers of your digital portfolio can actually see all of the things that you've uploaded, you'll need to update your share settings. For this, go to Google Drive. Find your folder with all of your digital portfolio materials, and update the share settings for each one by clicking the Share button in the top right. Here, we're going to make sure that anybody with the link can access. I'm changing to anybody with the link and clicking Done. Now, someone viewing my portfolio will be able to see my entire presentation instead of just getting an error message. Make sure you do this for each item in your drive. Have fun customizing with your own content, and don't forget to publish when you're done.